Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to detect your browser version inside the terminal. So there is a Python script which can help you detect your browser version inside Chrome. So if you basically use the Chrome browser and if you want to know the version of which version you are using, you can actually use this Python script. Let me run this Python script. So as I run this here, you will see it will exactly tell you the exact Chrome version that you're using. So it detected Chrome version 136.0.7.103.49. So it will exactly tell you the exact browser version you're using in Google Chrome. So let me show you the script here. For this, there is a module that you need to install right here. Simply go to the website here and just search for this module here, which is Chrome driver underscore auto installer. So this is actually the module inside Python which will, so simply execute this command to install this. I've already installed it. So after installing, you just need to make a simple Python file, and first of all you just need to import the module. After importing it, inside this module there is a function which lets you actually get the Chrome version. So this is actually the function get underscore Chrome version. If you call this function, it will exactly return it will detect which version you are using and it will print out. So just the 3 lines of code. First of all, we import the module, then it contains this function right here, get Chrome version, and then it will exactly detect the Chrome version that you're using. And if I execute the script here, you will see it in the terminal, it will return the Google Chrome version that you're using right here. And let me cross verify as well. So there is a website here, what is my browser.com. It detects which Chrome version you're using. So you can see your version is Chrome 136. So it is exactly returning the correct Chrome version. So this is actually, in this way you can use this module to detect in Python the Google Chrome browser version. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.